And so in this video I have seen that really a part is missing. It was missed in that evening. So here as it ought to be assembled. So you see this piece. When you move and you turn, the motor turns and it's moving. It constantly moves. So you see, but here we have this hole in the metal and in the plastic, and you see two lines down here on the plastic. So some plastic piece must be that goes inside and holds, presses these two ones, so the blades are not moving. So terrible situation, because on the video I watched, this is very hardly to see what is that, and if you want to buy, you cannot buy such plastic thing. You just need to know what it is so you can prepare yourself the thing. That's all. Glorify the God forever.